Manufacturing organization and service organization. So we're going to differentiate between manufacturing organization and service organization. The first point is physical durable output, which is present in a manufacturing organization and which is not exactly present in a service organization. In a service organization, it's more like intangible, perishable output. Second point, output can be inventorialized in manufacturing industry. In manufacturing organization and in a service organization, output cannot be inventorialized. Like you cannot store the service or the output. The third one is low customer contact in a manufacturing organization and high customer contact in a service organization. The next one is long response time in a manufacturing organization, short response time in a service organization, capital intensive in manufacturing organization and labor intensive in service organization. The last one is quality is easily measured in a manufacturing organization and quality is not easily measured in a service organization.